where do we start? We start with safety. We start with understanding that we need to pause. And in this moment, I'm actually going to ask you if you like, you can pause with me and we just take a moment to put our hand over our chest, one on our belly, and just take a slow breath in and a longer breath out. So, for example, we're going to go inhaling and we're going to exhale. And you see how that longer breath out is intentional. It's for us to be able to get our nervous system to come to a still point for just a moment to see what's going on and also to reset. That pause, that permission to pause, that need to pause is real. And really, what I'm asking you to do is to understand that although there's chaos, chronic stress, racial trauma, just a whole lot of chaos in the world that we're living in, for our bodies to even be able to manage fighting injustice, we have to be able to get to a place where we can regulate, stop sometimes, slow down our systems, and just